Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Word Chapter 1 Gap Assessment Study. This is the first chapter of Word section of my IT Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. So this course has 4th section. First section is Word section, second is Excel section, and third one is the PowerPoint section, and the fourth one is Access section. So I will be doing this course for you. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can either contact me on email or you can contact me through WhatsApp, and I will be here for you to produce a grade for you. So let's move to the instruction file. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel Chapter 1 Gap Assessment Study. This is the title of this assignment. And at start of the instruction, you can see this project description. So please go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. So step number 1 is start Word, download and open the file named Exp19 Word Chapter 1 Gap Assessment Study. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded this I have already downloaded this Word file and you can download this from your My IT Lab dashboard. And this is the file where we are supposed to apply all the instruction formulas given in the instruction file to get this assignment ready for the submission. You can download this file from your My IT Lab dashboard, and then we will start doing this assignment according to the requirements in this file. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook. So we will move to step number 2 because there is nothing to do in step number 1. Display non-printing characters, change the orientation to portrait. So we are supposed to display the non-printing characters in step number 2, and then we are supposed to change the orientation to the portrait. So simply go to the sheet, and in the home tab you can see this paragraph setting, and this is the for non-printing characters. Just turn it on and you can see that I have shown you the non-printing characters. So now we are supposed to change the orientation to portrait. So just click on this layout tab and then go to the orientation and change it to portrait. So I have changed the orientation to portrait, and that is all about step number 2. Now I will move to next step, that is step number 3. Change the left and right margins to 1.25. So we are supposed to change the left and right margins to 1.25. So we will go to the layout tab again. After going to the layout tab, you can see this margin tab in page setup. Just click on it arrow and then go to the custom margins. So we are supposed to make the left and right margins left and right margins to 1.25. So this is for left. I will type 1.25 here, and this is for right and type 1.25 here. So I have changed the left and right margins to 1.25. Just click OK. So you can see that margin has been changed according to the requirements. So now let's move to next step, that is step number 4. Replace the hyphen between 2015 and 2017 in the second body paragraph on the first page with the non-breaking hyphen from the special characters. So it is saying that we have a hyphen between 2015 and 2017 in the second body paragraph on the first page. So this is the first body paragraph, this one, and this is the second body paragraph. And you can see that 2015 and 2017 has a hyphen between them, this one, and we are supposed to replace this with the non-breaking hyphen. So we will simply delete this one, and now we are supposed to insert a non-breaking hyphen. Click on the insert tab and go to this symbols tab and click on the symbols and click on the more symbols. So now click on the special characters, and you can see this is the non-breaking hyphen. So just select this one and click insert and close it, and you can see that we have inserted a non-breaking hyphen between 2015 and 2017 as required in step number 3 of the assignment. So we are done with step number 4 now. Now I will move to next step. Total steps in this assignment are 15, and now I am going to do step number 5 for you. Delete the incomplete sentence, palgrants and those with dependents in the first paragraph on the 4th page. Ensure that only space is shown between the remaining sentence in the paragraph from where you deleted the sentence. So this is the incomplete sentence on the in the first paragraph on the 4th page, and we are supposed to delete this one. Then it is saying that ensure that only one space is shown between the remaining sentence. So let me go to the 4th page now. So first page, second one, third one, and the 4th one. So 4th page, first paragraph. So let me look for this paragraph that is starting from palgrants and those. This one. This one. So we are supposed to delete this one, and we are supposed to make sure that only one space, this dot is showing for space in non-printing characters, so only one space should be between these two paragraphs. So I have deleted the paragraph as required in step number 5 now. So that is all about step number 5 of the assignment. Now I will move to next step, that is step number 6. Type time analysis as a left aligned header on the same header line but right aligned. Insert a page number in the plain number style. So now we are supposed to insert a header, and time analysis should be left aligned, and then we are supposed to insert the page number in the right side. So let me go to the sheet, and then we are supposed to insert a header. So simply click on the header and then click edit header. So here we are supposed to type time analysis, and in left side we are supposed to type the page number. Time analysis, and here we are supposed to type the page number. So we will select the page number from this one, plain top, close the header. So that is all about the header in step number 6. So there I have completed 6 steps so far, and now I will move to next step, that is step number 7 of the assignment. So it is saying that change the document properties to include Exp19 as the author, removing the current author, and then Tarrant University as keyword. So go to the worksheet and click this file option and click info. Just click advanced properties. So we are supposed to remove this author, that is exploring series, and we are supposed to add a new author, that is the Exp19. So I will type this one and then the keyword. So keyword is the Tarrant University. This one. So after adding the author and after adding the keywords, just click OK, and you can see that keyword has been added and the author name is Exp19. Just go back, and that is all about step number 7 of the assignment. So now I am going to do step number 8 for you, and step number 8 is check for the spelling and grammatical errors, correcting any identified spelling mistake. If the word diploma is flagged, this is not a word usage or grammatical errors, so ignore this flag. So now we are supposed to check the spelling error and grammatical errors. So we will simply go to the Word file and click on the review tab and click on the spelling and grammars. So now we are supposed to change these and you can see that we are done with the spelling and grammar errors. So that is all about this step. So I have checked the grammar and spelling errors. So I have removed those errors. That is all about step number 8 of the assignment. So we have completed 8 steps so far. I started from step 1 and I solved each and every single thing in those steps. So now I am going to show you the final version for this assignment so that you can complete those steps on your own. As I have complete 8 complete steps in this video, and for the remaining steps I will just show you the final version of this assignment so that you can get about the remaining steps and you can complete those steps on your own. Let me show you the final version now. So this is the final version of this assignment, that is the capstone assessment study. This will be our title page. This is the first page of this assignment. Third page of the assignment, that is the fourth page of the assignment, fifth page of the assignment, sixth page of the assignment. So total pages in this assignment are 6. So I have completed this assignment hundreds of the time, and if you want to hire me for this assignment or for your complete course including all Excel and Word assignment from chapter 1 to chapter 8 or Excel assignments, Word PowerPoint assignments or Access assignments, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can either contact me through WhatsApp or email, and you can hire me for this complete course. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics, statistics, etc. So please have a look to this final version of this assignment so that you can complete this step on your own. So I request you to subscribe to my channel, like my video and comments to my video. And if you want to hire me, you can hire me for this complete course. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you another video. As I